Hello my lovely subscribers, how are you? I do hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, it's lovely to have you here. My name is Claire and I do tutorials for complete jewellery beginners. I do other crafts and I do share days out, so there's a bit of a vloggy vlog. But I do know my American friends love to see some of the places we have over here. So as you can see, I am making some funky jewellery sets today. These were already made. I made these about a year ago, so I just want to say, stainless steel, no tarnish. These are actually going off to Glastonbury. I'm not sure if it's for the famous festival or whether it's going to a gift shop. I'm not sure. It's not something you could wear every day because they are quite heavy. So those are the oranges done. Now I've only got 2 oranges left and 4 lemons. So what am I using? Obviously I've got my stainless steel necklace chains. These are available. All the supplies are available on my website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. So these are the pendants made of resin, and they've got the eye pins in the top. So we've got 3 of those. Now these are stainless steel, but they are surgical stainless steel. Jump rings I am using, these are 2 6mm and these are 8mm. Why am I using something so big? And it's purely because of the weight. I've got 2 pairs of pliers, jewellery card, and there's some packing materials behind me. Easy peasy is the necklace chain. Did you see my video, the one before this, where I was having a bit of a rant? I'll link it for you. It was about so much negativity, and it was really getting on my nerves. It was a week of just non-stop people just being so rude, not to me but to other like YouTubers and people sharing their jewellery online. So jump rings, if you've never opened a jump ring, don't know what jump rings are, again I'll link a video in the description. So we put our pliers both sides and then we twist, never that way, always this way. Thread that through. I'll just pop the chain on now, but I don't have to. No, it'll just fit at the end, it doesn't matter. And again, to close, we just do exactly the same, but back the other way, and make sure there is no gaps. Otherwise your lemon will go off for a walk. I love when I have to make like funky jewellery like this. It makes you feel happy, and I think of the recipient, the other end, you know, what they're like. Are they eccentric? And because you build up a picture of what you think someone's like, and then if you do actually see them, you think, oh no, they could be completely different. But I like people that wear out and out things. So there we have our chain, and for the earrings it's exactly the same principle. They're strong jump rings, got the gap at the top, so we thread through the loop, and I want this bit to be showing at the front, so that means I want the earring wire to be that way. And then we close, making sure there's no gaps. We'll do the same with the other side. I've got the magpies pecking at the window. There must be a cobweb or something. So we open the jump ring, thread through the loop. You want it this way. So we attach the earring wire, take both sides, and then close. Again, making sure there are no gaps. I would really love to know what these are being used for. Maybe I can message them and ask. So we attach a silicone earring back to keep them on. They're so big, they're really fiddly. Silicone earring back. If you have placed an order with myself, thank you so much. I really appreciate your order. So we've got that one. We have this one, but what I'll just do while I'm here, I'm just going to change the loop on that one. There we go. So what I'm going to do to package them is we pop them in here. These will have to go into a box. Those two. And what I do, I'm not actually going to seal them up because I just want to take some photos before I do. So they will go into one of these with a slip, obviously an organza bag as well. And then what I do, I thought I'd show you. I've got this container. These are some stickers. I've just run out of the others. I just have to restock them on. And it's just a stainless steel straw. And obviously I just pull what I need and it goes around. And you know, this is what I do. I just, if I can, you know, I will make use of whatever I've got. Oh, and another button in me. I just shown you. £2.99. And it's absolutely fine. It's absolutely fine. £2.99. I was ever so pleased. And I like the actual design as well and the colour for my bracelet. So it'd be like this. £2.99. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I've got hundreds of jewellery tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. So take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Happy crafting!